This is my little welder, and as you can see, it's currently living on the floor. So let's build him a nice cozy home. From time to time, I just want to build something, not spend hours in CAD designing every component and feature. No, sometimes you just have to go with the flow. Usually this ends up in more work than necessary, because you build your idea, see it come together, you notice the design flaws and redo the whole thing. But it isn't about the time or work you put in. It's about the solutions you come up with. It's the journey that matters.
Bravo 6. Going dark.
The best technique I came up with to weld these vertical members is to leave intentionally a small gap all around, tack it on one corner. If it's not perpendicular, tap it in place with a hammer and repeat this process with every corner. It's Saturday evening and I just ran out of argon, so I can't finish this welding card. But I have a stick welder and I'm not afraid to use it. Maria! Fucking hate stick welding. Have mercy on me, this is my first time stick welding, but some progress was made. Keep in mind not to re-weld something. First you have to clean the dross on top of the weld. Apparently not all gas bottles are created equal. This is the new gas bottle. It looks just the same, but the base is different. So my previous prepared ring for location doesn't work out at all. The new idea is to weld these studs in there so you can adjust it with a set screw. According to my calculations, this should be the same height as my previous workbench here. And as you can see, it's not. Eventually, I settled for a different feet design. I used smaller rollers in the back, leveling feet in the front, and to round things off, a retractable caster to keep this heavy beauty mobile. It wouldn't be a welding card if I didn't add a bunch of unnecessary features. Maria! Initially I used the plywood sheet as tabletop, but as it turned out, a bench vise needs a sturdy base. So I ditched the plywood, welded in a cross brace and a sheet metal countertop. These get attached here for the welding rod. If you want clean edges when drilling a large hole, drill from both sides halfway. This will prevent any chip out. If you can't bend it, weld it.
Adiós.
This video took a little bit longer than expected because I'm a lazy piece of shit. I was busy, I've got things to do. And also the camera arm fell over and wrecked the camera and the extrusion. So I had to rebuild the camera arm. Yeah. As always, thanks for watching and stay safe out there.